Good evening all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, another hotel, a different hotel this time. Tonight I am staying at the Ramada Hotel, which is classed as a 4-star hotel in East Kilbride. And just now I'm parked in the car park, the multi-storey car park, which is attached to the shopping centre and the hotel. It is a little bit confusing just now because the top level, like level 3, where you would park is closed, so I'm in level 2. I'll try and show you where to go. It's just facing me just now. You go over to the staircase, up the stairs, you come to the open car park area, and then walk into, you can't miss it, you walk into the hotel. So join me just now, today, in this new video, the Ramada Hotel. Let's go and check it out for a room tour, mainly a room tour. I'll try and show some of the hotel. It is dark just now. If I get some clips tomorrow morning, then I'll put them in throughout the video. Anyway, let's go check out the room, and yeah, let's go see what it's all about. First time here. I don't think I've stayed in a Ramada hotel for a very long time, so we'll see what's different to all the others, and the price as well, the price, what you get for this. I'll reveal the price shortly, and yeah, you can have a look at the room. So let's go check it out. So I have parked at level 2, which is just in there. Came over to this staircase. I'm going to go upstairs one level, and that should take me to the hotel. So just 2 flights of stairs takes me to here. It's very wet. Miserable day, I don't know if you can tell. This is the car park area that's closed. Big sign there, Ramada Hotel, and then you can't miss it as you walk round. And there it is. So my lens is getting a little bit wet, so let's get inside. Oh. First impression, even though it's in the dark, it looks nice. Let's get inside. Push button to open. So level 12. Level 12. Lifts. Right. So level 2 just now. Just go to level 12 for reception. A little bit strange. Whoa, look at that. A little bit strange setup because there's a few businesses downstairs, I think. So, yeah.
Floor 12.
Let's go and check in.
Doors are opening.
Reception is in here. Let's go to the 10th floor now and check out the room. Cheers, mate.
Doors closing. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Right, so where are we?
Going
10.
down.
So 1002.
Floor 10. Doors opening.
Card here, nice and secure. Curtain, and I am in. And to be honest, first impressions, pretty nice, very clean, very modern. TV automatically came on, so I'm going to put that on mute just now. I'll put that off even. There we go. It is a little bit dark just now, but anyway, looks like a really nice view. That's nice. I'm really actually impressed with this. Again, I'll tell you the price in a moment. I'm going to get settled, I'm going to take the bag off just now, and then I'll have a look at the room and I'll bring you along with me. So yeah, give me 5 minutes and I'll check in with you very shortly, and we can take in everything this room has to offer. But I'm going to take this bag off and just relax and just chill. So see you soon. So I am changed and I've had a little look around, not had too much of a look around because I want to show you for the first time as well as myself taking it all in, but I've had a little look. So we will start the tour before I forget to tell you regarding the parking. Sorry, that doesn't even make sense. Before I start the room tour, the parking. So when you collect your token, when you go through the barrier for the parking, at reception, there's a little machine at reception that you put this on to validate it for your free parking. I asked the question, I'll put a clip in of the little unit at the reception where you do that, but I was told after midnight try and do that, so tomorrow morning when I'm checking out I will go to that machine and I'll put that on it and hopefully it works and then you get free parking. So that's another plus on top of a lot of the other things I'm going to show you just now. The price, I will tell you now, was $74.99, so £75 for one night, albeit it is during the week. But you do get a lot for your money and location and everything else, but that price is really, really good in my opinion. So let's start the room tour. Starting over at the front door, walking by where I've hung my jacket just now, but front door, key card, goes in the slot to give you your power and the lights, etc. for the room. You have the ironing board hanging up on the wall here, just turning round. Mirror, wardrobe like we've seen, extra pillow, lots of hangers. You've got a spare towel and an iron down there. And instead of going straight into the room, I'm going to go into the shower room. So there's no bath in this room, and it's fully tiled, very clean. First impression, it's nice, it's modern, there's no little dinks or scratches. It looks new, to be fair, or newly refurbed. So the towels, toilet, shower, very big walk-in shower. Here you have your shampoo and body wash. Another towel. Here you have your sink. Again, it has everything you need. Mirror, nice big sink, hand wash, 2 glasses over there, and you've got your shaver only sockets. So yeah, there is everything you need in my opinion, but a nice big shower. Let's go into the room. I put my bags, just to kind of show the space, in there. I don't think there's any sockets there, no sockets in that space, but the room, as I've already shown a clip in the video however, but I've put some more lights on. I'm just going to give you a general overview. If you're picking up any kind of noise, there's people running down the corridor just now, kind of children and whatnot running down, so if you're picking that up, apologies for the noise. Yeah, it's a big room. I mean, look at all the space you have here with the separate seat, the space you have over here as well, so much space. Yeah, it's nice. I like the lighting, I like the decor, I like the fact you have double sockets or two sockets, plug-in sockets, USB. You have not USB, but you have the plug-in double socket over there, and you can control your lighting each side of the bedding. Yeah, I mean, it's ticking a lot of boxes for me. Another light here. The view, not getting much of a view just now. I'll try and show you, but it's not. You can see it. Not too bad. But pretty cool view from this height and this level of hotel. TV. We have kettle, mugs, milks, coffees, sugars, teas, PG tips for your tea. It's a non-smoking room. I did see a moment ago, there we go, a QR code where you can view the guest services directory, menu, TV and facilities. So you can scan that if you want to find or see more information. A drawer here with the hairdryer. Now this, I haven't really seen that before, so the power for the hairdryer goes all the way to there. So to turn that on, that's where you go. So hairdryer, safe down here. That is a really big safe, to be honest. Really a big safe. And then below this desk and chair, we have a double socket, plug-in socket below. So a nice workspace there. Obviously sleep and chill. The only thing that lets us down, again, nothing to do with the price. The price is a great price for this room, is a fridge. So there's no fridge in this room. The lighting is good, the space is good. Lots of mirrors, a mirror there in the hall, mirror in the bathroom. The decor's nice, the lighting's cool, the view's really cool. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just thinking there, sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera, apologies, but I'm just trying to take it all in. It's, considering the hotels that I have stayed at, it's not fancy like the Virgin Hotel which I stayed at recently. You look at the prices for the Virgin Hotel in Glasgow and then the facilities. Yeah, it's just shows you, it does, even though that's Glasgow city centre. I'm not comparing the two, but I'm just putting it out there in regards to get what you get in a room and what you can get for your money. So yeah, the bed, it's not a massive bed, it's not huge, but it's a bed and hopefully it's comfortable. Yeah, it's got everything I need, and yeah, if there was a fridge, then great, fantastic. But yeah, there's nothing really else to show in the room. I think the video really shows it itself. If I can get a clip of the view in the morning, then I'll put that clip in just now. And if I haven't put that clip in, this kind of edit is very, very, very strange. But yeah, that's it. I don't really have anything else to show you. It's just a room tour, hotel room tour, to help you decide or plan or organise your trip if you're looking to come to Scotland or just out with Glasgow. So it is a Glasgow postcode for this hotel. The information might change in regards to the car parking, because the level where the hotel is, the entrance to the hotel, the level for the car park is closed just now. That might reopen. However, I will put all the information of like directions and everything else that I was sent by the hotel, because there was a lot of information that was sent to me before coming, which was good. I'll put that information down below in the description box, along with my social media, all my social media links if you want to follow me on Instagram for like live updates and whatnot. I don't just do hotel tours. I do mainly, my passion is Florida, Orlando, Disney, Universal, Disney cruises now. So this year I've been on all that, Florida a lot of times, Disneyland Paris a few times. Disney cruises, I was absolutely sold on that. So there's so much more to come next year, because the time of year just now, it is coming up for Christmas and it's the end of November just now. I am just relaxing. I've had a very, very busy year, so hence why I'm bringing content like this to help bring it to yourself, and I also do enjoy it. So give it a like, it does help. So like the video if you can, share it, comment, and follow me on social media if you want for future content which is coming next year. Again, it's going to be fully packed with travel content there. So yeah, hopefully you join me for that journey, and for everyone who's supported me from either day one and even just now, I appreciate all of your support. So thank you very much. I will see you all in the next video, and yeah, hope you're all well. Bye bye for now.